Have you ever been on a bus? You pull up to a stop at a traffic signal, everybody gets off the bus, everybody gets on the bus, and just as the bus is getting ready to move through that intersection, the light turns yellow and red. And then all 30 people are sitting and waiting for the next 2 minutes for that traffic signal to turn green again. What if the bus could ask that traffic signal for 5 more seconds? My name is Sean Egan, and I'm the Director of Transportation for the City of Durham.
My name is Earl Bumphus. I am the IT manager here at Go Durham.
My name is Caldwell. I'm the North and South Carolina representative of Temple Inn.
We're serving on Go Durham buses every day about 20,000 riders. When we go out and talk to those riders, we hear from them over and over again about reliability. Is my bus going to be on time? Am I going to be able to make my transfer at Durham Station? Our Route 5 on Go Durham operates on Fayetteville Street. It's one of the busiest routes in the Go Durham system. It's serving about 2,600 riders every day. So we saw an opportunity to demonstrate transit signal priority technology and have a really big impact on a high ridership route with significant reliability challenges.
Pre-deployment, we used our on-site assets, helping install the vehicle equipment, helping install the cabinet equipment. Post-deployment, we worked hand in hand with applied information, setting zones, getting their system dialed in to how they need, help them make changes based on what we were seeing on the data.
Going back to 2018, the city and NCDOT made a partnership to fully upgrade our entire signal system across the city of Durham. We have the ability at every signalized intersection to enable buses to improve that reliability, improve that on-time performance, and get our riders where they're going that much faster.
The way we set up is that when the bus approaches an intersection that has TSP, if they have passengers and if they are running behind, it will send a signal to hold the green for 30 seconds. It's all dependent upon how many people that he may have on board the bus and how late he is when he approaches the intersection.
We did a test after it had been implemented for several months where we switched it off to see was it really making a difference. And we heard from our bus operators, turn it back on. We were hearing so much feedback from our bus operators that we decided, all right, well, it's definitely working, it's definitely making a difference. It's time to switch it back on and improve that reliability.
From the traffic department standpoint, I think the biggest thing is it didn't mess anything up. They didn't notice it was there. In this situation, there's no problems, which was great.
One of the key measures that we look at is on-time performance for arriving at Durham Station. Being able to document that we're saving an average of 1 minute is evidence that this is working, this is enabling our riders to make those transfers and continue their journey uninterrupted. So one of the things that we're most excited about with transit in Durham is that we implemented our first ever 10-minute service frequency in November of 2025. So on the Holloway corridor, there's a bus coming between Durham Station and the Village Shopping Center in both directions every 10 minutes. With that kind of service frequency, we really need to focus on reliability. So that Holloway Street corridor is where we want to go next with our transit signal priority program. The City of Durham is really focused on ensuring that people can get where they need to go without having to own a car. Improving our bus network makes that goal possible because we're making investments in the traffic signals, in pedestrian signals, and in making sure that folks can safely continue their journey once they get off the bus and make it to their final destination.